truth has to be unveiled and taught to you and revealed by the Holy Spirit. Ephesians chapter 3 and verse 19. It says, to know the love of God which passes knowledge, that you may be filled with all the fullness of God. Do you see that? Let me read it to you out of the NLT, the New Living Translation. May you experience the love of Christ, though it is too great to understand fully, then you will be made complete with all the fullness of life and power that comes from God. This word knowledge is the word gnosis. It means natural knowledge. But Paul says, I pray that you would know the love of God that surpasses knowledge. I pray that you would know the love of God that surpasses knowledge. And that's the word epignosis. It's the word which means supernatural knowledge. You move from natural knowledge to supernatural knowledge. And the way that you move from natural knowledge to supernatural knowledge is you actually move into the realm of experiencing it.